Hi, my name is Vincent Chicone. I'm with Chicone Cabinet Makers. Today I'm going to show you how to sharpen and grind a chisel using the Tormek sharpening system. I like to start by grinding the back side of my chisel. So we'll turn the Tormek machine on and I'll grind the back edge of my chisel until I get a nice shine to it. Our next step is to break out the straight edge jig that Tormek has supplied us. I take this jig and I set my chisel in it to 2 inches and get it square. The next step is to take a marker and go over the angled part of your chisel blade. I take for the chisels that I'll bang on, and I will set them to a 25-30 degree angle. The main part of the chisel I'll have set to 25 degrees, and the very tip I'll set to 30. This allows you to bang on the chisel and not to have to sharpen and hone as often. So we'll set this in the jig. We'll take out their template that we have set to 25 degrees, and we will make sure that it is at 25 degrees, at which point we will turn on our machine and go back and forth 2 or 3 times until you can see where you're at. Now we seem to be heavy on one side, so you'll twist and loosen until that takes it off even the whole way across. See that I'm working my way across. When you've taken all that ink off, you know that you're square. And there we go. After we've taken our ink off on the 25 degree bevel, we're going to move to our 30 degree, which is at the tip. So we're going to reset our gauge using our bevel template to 30 degrees and lock that down and run this till we take the ink off the tip. Now we're ready for honing. At this point we are ready to do some honing. We've moved our guide bar from the back to the front in front of the honing wheel. We have 2 degrees set on our chisel. We have the lower 25 degrees, and on the tip we have 30 degrees. I like to hone at the 30 degrees because that's where all the work happens. So we put our chisel on the bar, we set our template to 30 degrees to this wheel. We can begin honing. I will hone till we get a mere finish. We also use Tormek's honing compound, which speeds this process up. This is just a leather strop. When you add this, it actually speeds up the process and helps bring it to a higher sheen of the metal. I'll do this till you can see yourself. After we've accomplished that on just the tip, I'll remove the jig and I'll take the burrs off the back and also bring that to a high sheen. This strengthens your edge. When this is complete, you should be able to pick a single hair off your arm and pluck it out. That's how you hone and grind with the Tormek sharpening system. My name is Vincent Chicone with Chicone Cabinet Makers, and you can find us at chicone.net. Thank you.